Hey guys, I'm the imposter. This dude was actually not the imposter. Okay. Wait, is this like a hardcore server? So I killed someone and I actually got away. So I'm just gonna be I'm just gonna be going with my teammate Yellow. I actually killed this dude and got away. But no, it was off camera. It was before I started recording. And they actually did not notice. Are you gonna go in for that kill? Are you gonna be going for that kill, dude? Oh shoot, I almost was about to kill him. Wait, is he gonna kill him? Wait, we're both sus. Oh no. I can't let her hit that button. I might have to do what I need to do. Wait, hold on. I must have a dodge O2. Okay. So now that's gonna force everyone to go there, huh? Oh wait, I can't kill Pink, right? Cause, you know... Wait, I'm gonna kill him. Oh, we won! All I had to do was kill like 2 people. Oh man, he said, knew it. Oh, by the way, I got imposter 3 times. That's my 3rd time being an imposter in a row. That's actually my 3rd time being an imposter. The first round I was imposter, the second round imposter, and the 3rd round I was imposter. So I just decided to record about it in the 3rd round. The game will begin in 9. Imagine if I'm imposter again 4 times in a row. That would be insane, man. Let's see. Okay, I'm innocent. I'm innocent this time. Okay, we gotta find the imposter. Let's see who the imposter is. So, dude, I'm kind of like a little scared right now. So, like, there's 2 imposters, so it's kind of I can't go with like 2 people. I have to go like with 3 people at least. Wait, they might both be an imposter. I swear, they are. No, that's an imposter. Purple sus. I have to hit that button. I have to hit that button for purple. I have to hit that button. I have to, man. I hope I don't get killed. No, purple's right there. She knew I was coming that way. No, blue. Blue might be his teammate. No! Okay, green is chasing. I don't know who's this. I don't know who's that button. Go, go, go. No, no, no. Oh! Purple's it. Purple's it. Straight up. Because purple was in the room. Purple is in the room. Purple. I am a great purple. 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 She was in the room. And then... Okay, they're all voting. I know it's her. Because... She like... Purple was in the room. No! But he died. No, I can't explain it that well, but I can't explain it that. She even said me. I think that's actually him. I think that's actually her. Please, please. Oh, okay. She got 3 votes. How many votes I have? Only 1 person vote for me. So it's definitely her. Cause you saw that guy. She was in the room that Brown was in. But then, here I went over there, and then she came the other way, and then Blue was following me. I knew it, cause Blue was following me, so I thought it was Blue. Then before I was about to hit the emergency meeting, I saw Brown dead, and I knew it was Purple, cause he was in the room. Okay, I gotta. My next suspicion is Blue. Okay, I can go 3 people. That's the thing. I can go 3 people. But it can be red. No. No, no. No, I'm gonna hit that button. Okay, I can. I can hit it. It's literally blue! Oh my goodness, we're all gonna die. It was green? It was green the whole time? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, one more round. I hope I'm actually the imposter this time. I like how I have a teammate that can help me. I swear, if I get figured out, I'm just gonna tell them that it's my teammate. I don't care. I don't care if I get defeated. Not really nothing. It's not like you get credits in this game. No, I'm innocent. Okay, guess we're gonna find who's the imposter once again. Okay, let's see. Tap anywhere to close. Just walking. Hey, follow me. Yeah. We can do so. Wait, what if it's yellow? What if it's both of them? No, yeah. Just going away. I don't really feel like staying with people. Every time when I see— oh no! I know it's brown! It's brown! It's legit brown! Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, Brown. Brown is literally following me! It's brown. Brown! Ah! Oh help. Oh help. I can't, I don't know where's the meeting. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's brown. Okay, I hope they saw that. Are you serious? Oh my god. Okay, if they don't vote brown, I'm just ending the video. Seriously. I can't say. I knew it's because like he put the lights out, so I couldn't see. I was like, oh my god, that was like I knew it was brown. Like the second I saw him following me, it had to be him. Man, well, that's. I guess that was a very sad moment, but yeah.